The Welsh saints certainly leave their mark in every corner of Wales, and they do more. Surrounded by Saxon enemies who don't share their faith, they manage to break out to inspire others. Their impact is immense. Crossing the Celtic seas, they nurture the Christian life of Ireland and Scotland, Cornwall and Brittany. The traditions they establish give us masterpieces such as the illuminated manuscripts of faraway Lindisfarne. But not all of these spiritual giants are travellers. The best-known figure of the age stays at home here in Wales, and he builds a wooden church in this sheltered, tranquil spot in the far west on the coastline. Today, it is the site of this magnificent stone-built cathedral, which exudes power and certainty. It is, of course, the Cathedral Church of Dewi Sant, our patron saint, Saint David. Every schoolchild in Wales knows about the miracles of Saint David, how the ground suddenly rises under his feet so that a crowd in Llandewi Brefi can hear him preach. Though I have to say, it's a mystery to me why you'd need to create a hill in Ceredigion of all places. And then we learn that this gentle soul, on his deathbed, urges people to be faithful to the little things. It's a comforting image. It's a reassuring image. Saint David emerges as a bit of a softie. Don't believe a word of it. David's nickname was Aquaticus, the waterman. People used to think this was because water was the only thing he'd drink. But experts now believe it's because he's given to testing his faith by standing for hours in ice-cold pools. We have very few facts about him, but the way we see Dewi is important, because his name, his tradition are part and parcel of a distinctive Welsh form of the Christian faith, one that tries to hold on to its independence for 500 years to come. And it's that tenacity, that determination, which earns Dewi his place as our patron saint and as a national figurehead.